everyone, it's Jeannette from Corporate Chair Massages. So I was watching my friend's Instagram story feed the other day, my friend Adrienne, and she just had a newborn, and she has a toddler. She's working from home. She's incredibly busy, so she treated herself to a Chipotle steak salad, and I saw it on her feed, and I commented and sent her a message and said, I love that salad too. It's one of my guilty pleasures. Besides she and I, my friend Jackie's husband John also is a big Chipotle fan. I like Chipotle. I like to order it every now and again. Actually, I occasionally would order it on Thursdays right before my Zoom call with my Villanova crew. But in an effort to limit my spending right now and cook more and dine out less or order out less, I'm trying to make as many recipes as I can. So I actually found the perfect Copycat recipe for their Chipotle salad dressing. So I'm going to be making a knockoff Chipotle steak salad today with their vinaigrette salad dressing, and it's pretty delicious and it's super satisfying, and you can make it from home, so it's a little bit healthier. Please enjoy the video. The ingredients you'll need to make the vinaigrette is red wine vinegar, vegetable oil, salt and pepper, honey, oregano, garlic, and Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. So we're going to be using 6 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 3 tablespoons of honey, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, a half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of salt and pepper, 2 Chipotle peppers in adobo sauce, and 2 garlic cloves chopped. So I don't have garlic cloves, I just have a jar of mince, so I'm probably going to use about 1 tablespoon of garlic. So we're just going to throw all of this into the blender, blend it up, and that's all you have to do. I have just about 3 ounces of steak, so that's what I'm going to cook to put on my Copycat Chipotle steak salad. So I sauteed a cup of tri-colored bell peppers with a half cup of mushrooms, gave 3 ounces of steak a cook sear. I drizzled 1 tablespoon of the Copycat Chipotle vinaigrette, and I'm about to enjoy this fabulous meal. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching.